and we're going camping at Seymour Reserve.
Luke is doing the emu dance over here. Alright guys, let's go. And we're off. But first, every good road trip starts off with a Macca's breakfast. After breakfast, we jumped back in the car for a quick 1 hour drive up to Seymour.
Your destination will be on the right.
We've arrived.
This is where we're sleeping tonight. And this is our view. What are you doing, Books?
Collecting mud.
What's wrong? You're stuck?
It's sticky.
Yummy? Luca, good. Can you make me one? Bye guys.
We spent the night listening to our favourite tunes by the fire.
Let me see. Do
It's too sticky.
a taste test.
The white one because you're so moldy.
Oh yeah. She's gonna eat your face. Yum yum.
The next morning we woke up to a beautiful fog covering the riverbed. And we did leave the fishing rods out overnight because, well, you never know. We slowly packed up the caravan and headed to the other side of Seymour to do a nature walk.
Caitlin's doing this glorious job, we're gonna go check out the war memorial over here. Let's go, guys.
Wow, this looks like a very old tank.
Seymour in Seymour. Let's go. And that wraps up our weekend away at Seymour. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.
Guy, you want to say? So you want to do it?
Hi. What you doing?
Did he? I get to go from. Yeah, I need it. No, you always done it. Now it's my turn.
You talk to each other like this. You talk to each other like this. No. Are you cute?
Watch this.
Tiki 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 tiki.
Hi.
Tiki 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 tiki. Do you love Georgia? Huh?
Yes,
Why?
she's so cute.
She is so cute.
We'll have to walk around.
Georgia.
Go, we got what's going on. And we got the plan. Confi's favorite toy. What that? Oh, so you can right holding it right now. And we already had it. We'll have this fish on another walk to get it. And we're gonna do fish and try it. You go.
Oh, look, there's a fish.
Yeah. You said you will let me watch it.
Anything?
Careful with fire.
You want to butter me? We got that, Mommy. We got Mommy Boo Boo.
You little thief. Get out of my pocket.
What I just found, the feather over there. Kane and Vicky. I can river. Can't stop eating the GoPro. Say you look at me. Say you look at me. She likes to play with me. What are you? Look at me. Thanks for watching.